The honourable member for Edmonton-Calder, followed by Cyclist Medicine.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. This January, a Quebec seniors' home caught fire with very tragic consequences. 32 residents died in the blaze. Those that perished lived in an older section of the home built before regulations required the installation of sprinklers. Without immediate action, Mr. Speaker, we run a risk of a similar tragedy happening here in this province. To the Minister of Municipal Affairs, how many of Alberta's seniors are at risk living in facilities without sprinklers, and what are you going to do about it?
Honourable Minister responsible for Municipal Affairs.
Speaker, and this is a very important question. I'd like to thank the member for asking it. Mr. Speaker, we care very deeply about our seniors and the protection of our seniors, Mr. Speaker. As you know, the rules changed in 1990 and sprinklers were required in all seniors' facilities, and we have complied with that, Mr. Speaker. But we've also talked earlier in a question today about money we've put into our budget to allow housing authorities to upgrade their facilities, Mr. Speaker, because any facility, and many of ours were built before 1990, any of those will not have sprinklers, and so we're working with them to renovate and make sure that happens.
For a supplemental.
Well, given that in the budget estimates, this Minister of Municipal Affairs admitted that, quote, an incredible number, unquote, of Alberta's seniors' facilities don't have sprinklers. It's not safe. And given in Edmonton, the fire chief here estimated that at least 1/3 of seniors' care homes are on sprinklers. Unsafe as well. Would this minister then please make public the reports of many other fire chiefs and health professionals that have raised concerns about fire safety in seniors' facilities, and if not, why not?
Honourable Minister.
Well, thank you, Mr. Speaker. And we work very closely with our fire services across the province. They're an important advocate, Mr. Speaker. And fire suppression is not just about sprinklers. It is one part of it. But, Mr. Speaker, it's about manning within the facilities, and we're looking at that. We're looking at other types of fire suppression and protection of our vulnerable seniors, Mr. Speaker. So what we're going to do is continue to put a holistic approach together of how we can both protect seniors in existing facilities and upgrade facilities to take care of some of the concerns we have around our older facilities.
Final supplemental.
Well, thanks, Mr. Speaker. Well, given that other provinces are committing funds directly to fire safety in seniors' care facilities, and that given that staffing in seniors' facilities is often inadequate to evacuate residents in a safe and timely manner, this time to the Associate Minister of Health for Seniors, when will your government commit to an action plan for fire safety in seniors' facilities, including sprinklers and adequate staffing?
Associate Minister for Seniors.
Well, Mr. Speaker, as the Minister for Municipal Affairs has said, there's evacuation plans for all of these facilities that are done not just in consultation, but with the oversight of the local fire departments. But, Mr. Speaker, for the facilities that were built before 1990, our government's recently invented $31 million for the repair and retrofit of some of the seniors' facilities. That includes sprinklers, and there's still some funding available for that. So we encourage any housing and management bodies that haven't done that to apply.
You're here. Thank you. The honourable member Cypress.